Welcome to Home and Haven Living, a space where simplicity meets self-care and nature is your best friend. If you've ever wished for a more natural, intentional lifestyle without the overwhelm, you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll find natural remedies and DIY recipes for common health issues, easy beauty and skincare using real ingredients, homemade alternatives to store-bought products, tips for clean living, low-tox swaps, and holistic wellness. Whether it's making a castor oil pack, whipping up a tallow balm, or learning how to detox gently, I show you step-by-step how to do it yourself using things you probably already have at home. Home and Haven is more than a YouTube channel. It's a lifestyle shift towards simplicity, healing, and peace of mind. If you're tired of chemicals, mystery ingredients, and endless scrolling for real solutions, I've got you. So grab your tea, hit that subscribe button, and let's create a home and a life you truly feel good in. Welcome to the Home and Haven Living community.